and he was just like, "Hello, my name is Paul Bunyan," and I forgot what else he said. He was like, with one swift I think he said with one swift motion, he took down one tree each time. It's cool. Hello, my name is Paul Bunyan.
All right, good morning everybody. Okay, so today we've got a small oak. I mean, it's not small, but not too big, pretty average. Okay, you got the little conifer here, the line here, and we got the garage here. And really we can't drop any big pieces down there either because there's some, he's got some other stuff down there. So we're gonna lower everything down piece by piece. We're gonna get down here, and we're gonna try and get it down before the rain starts, because apparently it's supposed to start around 11, and right now it's maybe 9. Yeah, about 9, maybe 9:30. We're gonna try and get it down before that. We're trying to get the brush cleaned up, you know, minimum. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of a race against the rain, and we'll see if we can get it. Squall got the line up there. I think he got in a good spot. I think. All right, bring you guys back whenever I'm at the top. All right, guys. So I have all the setup. I have everything set up. Got the little pulley here with a little block. I'm gonna go ahead and take this limb out, and then I'm gonna start swinging everything out this way. This way. I'm probably gonna put a tag line on a couple of these. That way they can pull it that way. And I got my friction saver, my climbing line, and Porter wrap down there. He's already got the wraps. I didn't even tell him. He's prepared, so we're gonna get started. Hope you guys like it. See if we can get done before it rains. All right, here we go. Good job. You just gotta watch my rope, okay? Good job. You. Watch my rope, okay?
Okay. Skills. Córrele, córrele para arriba. Rápido, ándale.
All right, that's how all of them are gonna go down, and kind of self-explanatory. So cut you guys off here, and then I'm just gonna start rigging them off, trying to get everything done as quick as possible. Got that tied on pretty quick. Okay. Okay, va.
Okay.
Alright, so tie a little carabiner at the end, that way it's a little bit easier, saves a little time. I'm gonna go ahead and take that lower branch out first, that way this one doesn't get stuck on it. I could probably swing it over here, but I'd rather not deal with that. Yeah. Flip it. There we go. Hopefully that thing doesn't run back. As long as no one pulls in, I think it'll be fine. Actually, no. What make things difficult? Because this thing's gonna be in my way. Whenever I try and go down and walk up to there. So let's go ahead and get this one out of the way. Okay, ahí va.
Okay.
Good job. Okay. See, now that's out of the way. You know, honestly, I could do the same thing with that, so I don't have to come back up. But I really don't want to have to deal with it getting stuck and me having to take it off again. I've had to deal with that a bunch of times and I don't like it. I'd rather take that extra time that I was going to waste. Okay? Better? Better? I'd rather take that little extra time that I was going to waste and put it into going down and getting the other limb off first. Okay, don't stop? Okay. Good. See if I can make it again. Sometimes I just get lucky and I make it the first time. Then the second time around it gets stuck or I miss. Okay. Kind of scared me a little bit. That was down. So I kind of got this crisscrossed. Bear it out on this side, like that, down there. Okay, we're gonna do a little limb walk here. You know, sometimes I'm really good at limb walking, and other times I'm horrible at it. And today, I don't know if it's one of those good times or it's one of those bad times. We're about to find out, I guess. Some of that. And make sure you always lanyard in. Or flip line in, or flip line in, whatever you call it, wherever you're from. Okay, let's try and slowly get this up. Okay, see, that's pretty easy. Okay, ready. Okay, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and test this camera, see if it's on. So if it cuts off here in a little bit, well, then that's the reason why. Because if it hasn't been recording, well, then all this talking has just been a waste of my breath, I guess. We'll see. This one's a little long, so he's not gonna let it run. Okay, better. Just kind of did a loop-de-loop there, but it'll go around.
Cada día aprendemos más. Right.
Nice. Very good. Yeah, he didn't need my help after all. Alright, so see, so this is what I'm talking about. See, if I had done that one, it may have gotten stuck in that. Maybe not. I probably could have gotten to pass it around, but I didn't want to risk it. Gotta practice our lassoing skills here. Nope. Not there either. I mean, it's there, just not where to come back to. You know, I have a rope retriever. It's about, extend out about 12 feet or maybe 16, something like that. Be real good right here, but guess what? I left it in the truck. Good shot. Ha ha ha, there you go.
Okay. Okay.
Good job. I'm moving back up to where I was originally. The only reason I went down there was to get a couple of those limbs. So that one wouldn't get stuck. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get that one, get the small one, and then continue on that big one. So this is gonna be a little tricky because it's gonna want to swing back towards me, but if he lets it run, then we should be good. If you kind of hear that I'm out of breath, it's because I am. Nah, I'm just playing. I mean, it kind of does take up a little bit of energy, so I'm not gonna say I'm completely okay up here. I'm not tired yet either. All right, ready?
Okay.
Very good. Good job. It's 11, guys. And I can hear the thunder rumbling. I mean, as long as there's no lightning, I think we'll be okay. But I'd rather not work in the rain. Okay. That's better. See if I can get it. What a limb. Okay. Alright, there we go. Okay, va.
Good.
Good job. Climb all the way out there. Almost. Oh, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh, or maybe not. I'm not sure you guys can hear that stuff on camera or not, but that thunder's getting pretty close. There we go. Make sure this thing's locked in. Okay. Gotta move up a little bit with this. And then that way we can walk out on the limb. Okay. Let's get our lanyard or flip line onto this one straight limb. That way we ain't slipping around. Okay, there we go. See that? Okay, ahí va.
Good.
Hey, good job. Good job. All right, what we're gonna do is here, we're gonna do a little bit of negative rigging. It ain't gonna be fun, but I don't want to put that. I don't want to move that pulley up any more than where it is now. This tree seems to be a little weak. Okay, there you go. Ready?
Good.
Good job. All right. The rain's about to start, so I need to kind of speed it up a little more. Not saying that I was going slow, no. By no means. Yeah, see, it's a lot easier with a carabiner sometimes. Adds a little more weight for throwing. But now it does get a little difficult if you get it stuck in a really tight crotch, then it gets stuck and then you're gonna have to go up there, get it, blah, blah. Okay, ready? Hey, come on.
Good.
Good job. Whoa. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. There's lightning, that's not good. Okay, va.
Dale. Oy, oy, oy. No pesa.
Ahorita, espera. Ahí va.
Don't you become a lightning rod up there.
Yeah, I don't want that to happen. ahí va. Alright, so it turns out all the batteries on the GoPro were dead. So we weren't able to film, you know, the rest of it, but we got it about right there to that level. We're just gonna drop the rest of it and I'll see if I can get some with my phone or see if I can film it with my phone.
Skill competition?
And maybe right, maybe over there.
What's that big lumberjack called up all the time?
Paul Bunyan?
Paul Bunyan. Did you see the cartoon?
No? There's a cartoon?
Like he has a good voice, and he's just like he like made like rivers and stuff like that. I don't know.
He named the rivers?
Like there's this one river, the longest he uses across the log down to the lumberyard, and it was like all windy and twisted. And he grabbed one end and pulled it and made everything straight.
Really?
Yeah. And he was just like, my name is Paul Bunyan, and I forgot what else he said. He was like, with one swift I think he said with one swift motion, he took down one tree each time. It's cool. My name is Paul Bunyan.
I got that out of film.
There you go. That's all it took. One corner.
Okay. End result. Tree was here. Now it's here, up there, everywhere, gone. Alright, we finished it up with the little brother, big brother, and even bigger brother. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. The Domingo duo. Come back next time.